Do you need a dependable dumpster rental in Tilton, New Hampshire? Look no further than Dump It Dumpster Rentals. Whether renovating your home, clearing out an office, or managing a construction site, Dump It Dumpster Rentals offers the perfect waste management solutions to keep your project clean and organized. Commitment to prompt, professional service means you can focus on completing your project without worry. Our top-of-the-line dumpsters, available in various sizes, are here to make your waste management a breeze. Our hassle-free delivery and pickup service lets you focus on your project, not waste disposal. The team is dedicated to making your rental experience as easy and hassle-free as possible. We deliver and pick up on your schedule, ensuring your project stays on track. At Dump It Dumpster Rentals, we take pride in our commitment to your satisfaction. We also value our environment, ensuring your debris is disposed of responsibly. Ready to book your dumpster? Call us at 603-366-1511 or visit www.dumpitdumpsterrentals.com. Dumpster Rental Tilton NH to get started. Our friendly staff is ready to assist you with all your waste management needs. Dump It Dumpster Rentals, your reliable partner for dumpster rental in Tilton, New Hampshire, and beyond.